Good morning and welcome to MyFinTax Chronicles for today 24th May 2025. Economic Outlook. RBI Dividend Windfall. RBI transfers 2.68 lakh rupees crore, 33% higher than FY24 to government. Forex reserves dip. Reserves fell $4.88 billion to $685.72 billion, gold value drove decline. Job creation rises. ESIC jobs rose 5.8% in March to 1.63 million new registrations. Legal developments. BPSL liquidation stay plea. JSW seeks SC stay, liquidation may hurt workers, lenders and business viability. Ad agencies collusion probe. CCI found global ad firms colluded on fees, March raids stand justified. Banking and finance. KYC norms eased. RBI proposes simpler onboarding, allowing video KYC and rural correspondent verification options. Dormant funds retrieval eased. 78,000 crore rupees deposits climbable with relaxed KYC using video or rural agents. Gold loan boom. High gold prices increase borrowing capacity, supports SMEs and banks' lending portfolio. New payments board tension. RBI may lose authority over digital payments with proposed payments regulatory board. Gold drives forex decline. Sharp gold revaluation caused major decline in RBI's reserve holdings this week. Corporate finance. Vedant's $20 billion plan. Half of 1.66 lakh rupees crore expansion funded internally, rest via debt, equity. Ashok Leyland Q4 profit jumps. Q4 profit surged 38% YoY to 1,246 crore rupees, led by sales. JSW Steel Q4 profit up. Q4 profit grew 13% YoY to 1,501 crore rupees despite legal hurdles. GMR posts Q4 loss. GMR Airports lost 253 crore rupees in Q4 despite higher year-end income. Abfil swings to loss. Fashion unit posts 161 crore rupees loss, sales up 9% YoY in March. Wipro pay disparity. Chairman earned 13.7 crore rupees, while CEO earned significantly higher 53.6 crore rupees. International affairs. India-Russia nuclear deal. India-Russia plan joint work in nuclear energy, cybersecurity, and advanced tech. Trump threatens Apple tariff. India-made iPhones may face 25% US tariff if not assembled domestically. Tax and compliances. ASEAN FTA under review. Government probing low usage of ASEAN FTA, especially underperforming Thailand segment. Trump bill tweaks welfare. Beautiful bill proposes tax cuts, AI moratorium, and stricter immigration enforcement reforms. Investments and finance. Sun Pharma US push. Sun to invest $25 million, stake in US Best Pharmas rises 22.7%. Decathlon eyes EU FTA. Plans to double India sourcing once India-EU FTA deal is finalized. Gravita block deal. Promoter sold 497.88 crore rupees stake, Motilal Oswal bought 145.98 crore rupees shares. Adani, RIL, Vedant Northeast bet. Each group to invest 30,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees crore for Northeast region's economic boost. Skoda IPO launch. 220 crore rupees IPO to open 28th May, aims to boost production scale. Financial markets. Markets rebound sharply. Sensex closed 74,418, Nifty at 22,646, indices rose nearly 1% Friday. Bellrise IPO frenzy. Bellrise IPO saw 41.3x subscription, QII category alone surged 108.35x. ITC labeled value buy. Analysts expect 25% gains in ITC based on Q4 commentary strength. Rupees big rebound.